This city doesn't wait, it pulls you in.
The air tastes like fire and spice.
The city narrows, but the world inside expands.
Every step feels like stepping into a story.
Here, even color has a scent.
Light here doesn't just shine.
Every sound builds something timeless.
You don't just see the colors, you walk through them.
And suddenly, the chaos breathes.
Stillness never lasts here.
Balak! The tariq belongs to whoever moves.
Warmth travels faster than words.
And just like that, the city grows louder.
The sound finds you before you see it. Everything here moves, even time.
Stories are written, even on skin.
When the sun fades, the fire takes over.
Yalla yalla, one more skewer. Yes, Habibi, right away. Here, you don't wait, you join.
Fire speaks its own language.
Simple, but unforgettable.
And just like that, the night slows down.
Just a few steps and everything changes.
Some corners never sleep, they just slow down.
Even silence here has movement.
Follow the sound. It always leads somewhere. Up here, the city starts to breathe. And suddenly, everything opens.
A sound that holds the whole city still. From above, it almost feels calm.
The calm fades. The rhythm returns.
Night doesn't sleep, it shifts.
Everything moves, fast or slow.
And just like that, you're back inside it.
Please, try this one.
Sugar here feels like tradition.
Every bite carries a memory.
Some moments are meant to be shared.
And then you disappear again.
Some places don't announce themselves.
Behind every door, another world. But the city is still calling.
Some doors close, but the night stays open.
Everyone moves at their own rhythm.
Even the silence is maintained.
The same place, but a different soul.
Even chaos needs to rest.
A new story is already beginning.
The rhythm never really stops.
And it begins, just like before.
The city wakes, gently this time.
Salam.
Light finds every corner.
Now the colors feel alive again. This is the city before it rushes again.
The day starts slow, but not for long.
And the rhythm returns.
The same maze, a different energy.
And it all begins again.
Same place. No new woman.
Welcome back, my friend.
The city remembers, even if you don't.
Everything feels familiar, but different.